What I want to talk about today is control. How do you control your AI? There's a lot of people asking the very basic questions, and I was wondering, is this the right approach? I'm showing or I'm building very complex things that solve my problem or my imagination, but I wasn't thinking if I'm actually fixing your problem. Is it related to your problem? So I find it interesting that a lot of people didn't know that you can actually request to transfer the call, and then you can also request to be transferred to different agents. So I give you an instance. For example, we have an inbound agent, and then you have the sales side of things, and then you have the recruiting. So you're recruiting and you're selling services or whatever. Now you can add or you can have an agent that will actually handle the sales for you, and then one that handle the recruitment for you, and then you can transfer it to yourself as well. So what you can do, the recruitment agent, you can basically set it up to have a pre-interview. Who is the person, how long they've been there, what position they're looking for, and all the important information. I'm gonna call my AI and I'm gonna ask my AI to transfer me to me. So let's see how that works. So he's calling now.
This call is being recorded for training purposes. How may I help you today?
Hi, how are you? I was wondering if there is any chance to speak to Valentino today.
Hello, I'm Luna, a virtual receptionist for call capture. I can connect you with Valentino. May I please have your name?
Yeah, my name is Johnny.
Please hold while I transfer you to Valentino.
Here you go. So he's transferring me. So if I answer, it's gonna be a line in between me and me. There you go. And that was it. That was pretty easy. So you can get the transfer, and then in the same time we got a live notification that we've been in on a phone call, and then the phone is being transferred to speak to Valentino. So if you are busy or if you are in a phone call with someone else, the AI can take the phone, gather the information, or transfer it to you if it's important. So here you go, you got this one, and for the next time we're gonna go through different agents, how you can use different agents to actually connect them to a single one. So either it's a web chat or it's an inbound agent that you can do the transfer. So if someone has a business inquiry, it goes to somewhere. If someone asks for a job, they go somewhere. And for example, if you have different locations, you say, I want to be connected to X area, or where do you live? I live in X area. Let me transfer you to the agent that is in that area. So you have different agents for different areas, so you don't need different numbers. It's like a dispatch. That's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for watching. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.